Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a thermostat on a Ford Escape. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather your tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. You'll also need a new thermostat and fresh coolant. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process, saving you time and effort. Now, let's drain the coolant. Position your drain pan directly beneath the radiator. Carefully loosen the radiator drain plug to allow the old coolant to flow out completely. Once drained, you can disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. This step provides clear access to the thermostat, making removal much easier. With the housing exposed, unbolt it and gently remove the old thermostat. Take a moment to thoroughly clean the housing surface, ensuring no old gasket material remains. This is crucial for a leak-free seal. Now, insert your new thermostat, making sure the spring faces towards the engine. Reattach the housing, tightening the bolts securely. Finally, reconnect all hoses and securely tighten the radiator drain plug. Slowly refill your cooling system with the correct type of new coolant. Start the engine and let it run, keeping an eye on the temperature gauge. Watch for any leaks around the thermostat housing. Once the engine reaches operating temperature, ensure the heater works, indicating proper coolant circulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.